Hello guys, review Motorola Moto E15. This version 2GB RAM memory and 64GB storage in lavender color device, fresh lavender color. Okay, with case device. And in complementation we have only Type-C cable. Okay. Turn on device. On this side we have power key and volume keys. On the back side double camera. On this side without controls, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone. And headphone jack on the upside. Waiting. Device load. Turn on device. Open settings and look Android version. We have Android 15, 14, Android 14. We have MediaTek Helio G81 Extreme CPU, display HD resolution, 90 Hz LCD matrix. Okay, open onto the benchmark, look into the benchmark results. Okay. PUBG Mobile works on the low graphic level only. Geekbench 6 doesn't support this device. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.